everyone, my name is Harsh and in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a Flutter app from terminal and run it with the help of terminal. For creating a Flutter app through terminal you have multiple options available. The first one is that you can open Visual Studio Code and then you can click on Ctrl Shift and tick button which is present just below the escape. It will be opening a terminal for you in VS Code itself. The next option which you can use is you can click on the Windows icon on the bottom left and there you can type command prompt and you can open a command prompt from here. I'll be using the one which is present inside the terminal. From here you can switch to your desired location. So I'll quickly switch to the drive where I generally store all my projects. Yeah, so I have changed the directory to D. In VS Code I made a directory named as Flutter project. So for creating a Flutter project with the help of terminal, what you have to type is you have to type Flutter create a space your project name. So I'll be naming my project Flutter demo proj and I'll click on enter. It will take some time to create the Flutter project, so let's wait for a while. So now for running this project we have two options. So the first one is that we can open a folder which we have created, which is a project folder. So I'll open that folder and show you the project which we have recently created. So it will open the project for me. The first option for running this project is that you can click in the lib folder, you can open main.dart file. So it will be providing with you a run option in the top right here. So it will take some time for showing that option. There are chances that this option is not available to you sometimes. So what you can do is you can open your terminal by typing Ctrl Shift tick. Once you have your terminal ready, you can type in Flutter Run Command. So it will be running your Flutter project in the emulator or the device and I'll click on the enter button. There is one more option through which you can display a new terminal in VS Code. So you can select terminal and from here you can click on new terminal if you don't want to use the shortcut keys. Now let's wait for the device to run. So it is asking me to choose an emulator or a device. So I'll choose 0th option. I'll type 0 and it will take some time to open the app in the device which I have just chosen. So now you can see that the build has completed successfully and it will take some time to install the app in the device. So now you can see that the app has installed successfully and it is running in the device. So you can see the output in the terminal and the counter increasing on the screen. So that was it for this video.